Hey everybody, I am coming to you today with lights and air conditioning in the ranch. We are so excited that we have power now, and we also have ceiling tiles throughout the whole building, and the floors are all prepped for the LVT tile to start going in hopefully this week. All of our doors have been delivered. These are our interior doors, and the back porch has all of our exterior doors on it. So doors are going to be going in soon. And let me take you outside and show you the concrete. We'll go out the side door here and take a look at all the concrete. Oh, it's raining. But this is how much concrete they've already poured at the beginning of the driveway. So that's curing so that they can start moving the construction trucks to that side, and then we can pour the rest of it. Right now they're using this to gain access to the property. But we have a big long sidewalk that's already started, and it goes all the way around the front. So this driveway is already framed out, coming all the way from the north and down toward the cottage. And they're going to remove that curb and connect us all the way through. Look at this big giant pile of all the flooring. This is our LVT tile that's going to be going in. And this will be the same throughout, except in our activity room, which will have carpet squares. But the best news of all is that we finally got the date that we're going to be able to open the ranch. We're going to do our soft opening the week that we come back from Thanksgiving for our VPK and before and after school kids. They get to start on December 1st. We are so excited. And then on December 6th, the Saturday following our soft opening, we're going to have a big grand opening celebration. All of you are going to be invited. We want everyone to come and take a look around the building, and we're just so excited to share it with you. So more information on our grand opening to come, but we are really excited to welcome our VPK program and before and after school students to the ranch starting December 1st.